alltid litt moro med vasking. Sporet til nedgangsluko. Har ikke vasket på 400 år, tenker jeg. Hjelper seg det der.
But when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it.
Noen dager så er seilbåt det beste som er. Fine vindforhold og bare nydelig, helt topp. Men andre dager, da blir det kiteføre. Det er noe jeg liker ekstremt godt, det er å kite, så når det er for mye vind til å ha komfortabel god seiling, da gjør jeg akkurat dette her.
This is what we came for. Gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't just scary. It's about to be legendary. Yeah, we're gonna be legends. Gonna teach them all a lesson. Got this feeling in our souls we carry. It's about to be legendary. And we couldn't want it anymore. Could never turn back now. Got to leave it all on the floor. Been dreaming of the payoff. Through the struggles and the trade-offs. Right into thin nail on the way up. Tell them the truth, but they think it's just made up. I think they got it all wrong. We just gotta hold on. And on and on and on. 'Cause we're gonna be late.